Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to show you very basic selection in Blender. So if you want to select the ring, edge ring, you can double click, nothing will happen. If you press Alt and double click, we can select the rings. Then Shift Alt and double click, and then select these rings. Press Alt and double click, and then press Shift and click on this ring and click on this edge. Select this like this. If you want to select the entire uh, this one to select the loop, alt and double click to select the loop. If you want to select a ring, press on this, go in select loops and rings. Like this you can select the rings. And now for faces, click on this face, press alt, double click on this face like this. Click on this face, press alt and double click on this face. If you want to select here till here, press alt and double click on this face, alt and double click on this face to select the ring. And if you want to select vertically, uh, click on this face, press alt and double click on this line edge. If you double click on this edge, it will select like this. If you double click on this edge, it will select like this. So clicking on edge is the key. So this is a very short and helpful tip for beginners who are just started to model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling tricks in Blender, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.